Hi, Carol here from Owl's Nest Quilters. Welcome to another session of our Scan'N Cut series. Today we are going to be doing a deep dive into what our machines have already built into them. So come join us. One of the things that I think that people have not done is to see exactly what sets the Brothers Scan'N Cut apart from the other cutting machines. So we're going to kind of take a deep dive into our Scan'N Cut. And we're going to press home, and when you get to this, one of the first things that you will see if you have connected your Scan'N Cut to the internet is whether or not there's an update. So we don't even need to think about it or worry about it. Our machine will tell us if there is an update. And I'm not going to go and do that because I don't know if this is going to be a lengthy update or a quick update. You have two options here at the home page. You can go into patterns or you can go directly into scanning. You are also able to go into your USBs or over the internet. So there are different ways that we can retrieve our data. And although our machines, these new machines, are auto sensors, sometimes it is a good idea to do a test, especially if you're doing material that you're not used to doing, like cork or leather. You would probably want to do a test on those. So we're going to take a deep dive into our patterns. There are lots and lots of categories that they have given us, and there are several pages of this. And have you ever gone through and looked at all of these? Because it's amazing what these machines have. So these are our basic shapes, and there are several pages of shapes that we can pick. So if there's ever a time when you want to just do like a card theme, and you want to do a little birthday card or something for someone with a spade, and do a spades and clubs and hearts and diamonds for the card, they're all right here in your Scan'N Cut built in. And we have all kinds of different shapes that you can pick from. In the next screen, there's all these little motifs that you can see. And then each one of these has even more. So at first sight, it looks like, oh, well, that's not all that impressive. There's just, a page and a half. But absolutely every one of these also has more inside of it and goes on for several pages. So there are lots of different things and objects and so on that you can pick from that cover, a wide range of activities and hobbies and themes and so on. So those are all fun to go through. And of course, the big reason why Brother sets itself apart from the other cutting machines is its ability to do Disney. And each of these has more in the categories. So there's all kinds of fun little Disney things, and it goes on and on and on. So there's a lot you can do with the Disney. And they have the princesses, because what would we do without our princesses? And so we have all of those. Then we also have, Disney has, these are for the rhinestones. They have built-in rhinestones, and there are 3 built-in designs for that. I guess 4, I think that's another one. And then they have more and more. Okay. They also have a lot of different sayings that they've already done. So adore, adventure, anniversary, autumn, and it just goes on and on and on. You can either scroll through it this way or you can scroll through it by the pages. And these are all, things that you would normally want to do, but they've already done them for us. And then here are the days of the week and the months of the year. This one are borders. And each one of these borders would add a cute little addition to cards or just scrapbooking. We've actually used these as applique and reverse applique for some of our little ditty bags that we did. So there's lots of uses for these. They're not just necessarily what they were first intended to be. We can use our creativity. And then there are lots and lots and lots of different fonts. Then we have borders and other fonts. These are kind of fun and skinny little ones. And these are borders or little motifs that you can use for your projects. And here's some more fonts. Now this is the area where I don't think a lot of people have explored, and this is another reason why Brother sets itself apart from the other companies, is that you can actually use these for quilting. So within each of these categories are lots and lots and lots of different quilt blocks that you can cut out with the Scan'N Cut. So your cuts will be perfect. And I did this, and I had the absolute most perfectest block that I've ever had in my life because I was not cutting it. And the machine will also, using your pins that we showed you the last time, we're going to put those, you can have the machine draw, where did I put those? Your cutting lines, so that you, or actually your sewing lines, so that you have something that you can actually sew on. So it makes it very, very easy to have very, very accurate quilting and piecing. So each one of these blocks has more in the library, and some of them are quite detailed. These are great for appliques, and there are also other, this one's, you can use it for the Dresden or for the fan quilts, but then there are also appliques that you can use. And they go on, and then each one of those are cute little candle numbers. So there's lots and lots and lots in these machines that are available to us. These are fun. These are fun borders or motifs or trims that you can use as well. And let's see. And some more applique and other motifs, a little more sophisticated. So there are lots and lots and lots of things built into our Scan'N Cut machines. I know a lot of people tend to go outside of what we already have available and purchase them online, but there's a whole lot that we already have that we spent the money for that we need to utilize. So in upcoming classes we will be learning how to do our own words and creating our own designs using what's already built into our machines.